In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your Big Cartel shop in tablet mode, allowing you to see how your online store looks on a tablet device. This process will help ensure your shop's layout is mobile-friendly, providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers using tablets. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Big Cartel account and navigate straight to the dashboard. This is your central hub where all of your store information and settings can be found. From there, up at the top of the screen, locate the Account tab. This tab houses various settings and options that pertain to your online store's configuration. Click on it to proceed. Now, once you're in the Account area, go ahead and scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Shop Design. This is where all the customization options for your store's appearance are located. You're going to click on the option that says Go to Shop Designer. This is the tool that Big Cartel provides for you to visually customize how your store looks to the public. Once inside the Shop Designer, take your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down button hovering there. This button is crucial as it allows you to change the preview mode of your shop. Go ahead and click this drop-down. Doing so will present you with several options for previewing your store across different devices and screen sizes. From the list provided in the drop-down, select Tablet. This triggers the Shop Designer to switch the display so that you can see exactly how your store will appear to a customer using a tablet. This view is instrumental in ensuring your website layout is optimized for users on the go, providing them with a smooth and visually pleasing experience as they browse through your products. While you're in this mode, take a moment to browse around your store. Check that all your images are displaying correctly. Buttons are easy to tap and text is legible without any annoying pinch-to-zoom actions required from users. This is a good time to catch any potential issues and make the necessary adjustments, ensuring your store is just as user-friendly on tablets as it is on desktops and smartphones. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully placed yourself in the shoes of your customers using tablets, allowing you to fine-tune their shopping experience. By keeping abreast of how your store appears across all devices, you're setting yourself up for success with a shop that's accessible and attractive to every visitor. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to leave any questions you might have in the comments below.